What's Ayush 007?
Bro.
I looked at your Instagram handle closely for the first time.
ठीक है बोल दे यार, you muted me, fine यार. I had made it in 2010. मेरा lucky number क्या है? 7. और 007 तो जेम्स बॉन्ड भी है ना, तो क्रेजी. अपने घर का तो जेम्स बॉन्ड ही हूँ ना.
वाह
है ना.
Don't you just love zipping around the city in a car that feels like pure luxury? That's exactly what the Phantom Black by Grand Vitara feels like. Hey guys, I'm Janice Sequeira. This is Nexa on the Road. And my guest for today, well, he's the internet's favorite chocolate boy. Let's go pick up Ayush Mehra.
Hi.
What's up, Ayush?
Hi, Janice. Where are you going? Can you give me a lift?
Yes, I can.
Thank you so much. I was just finding a rickshaw, but
I turned up with my Phantom Black by Grand Vitara in these beautiful matte black and champagne gold interiors.
Thank you so much, Janice, for doing this with me.
You want me to adjust the AC, put the PM purification system on?
Oh wow, that's a lot.
It's a lot. What are your thoughts on fashion?
See, I feel comfort is very important for me.
I think your hair is a big part of that, no?
Correct.
Baal has to look perfect.
I really like styling my hair because you know, hero ke baal kabhi kharab nahi hote.
Oh. Give me
Genuinely,
like classic 3 Ayush Mehra combos.
it would be boots, it would be jeans, and it could be a shirt or t-shirt.
Now that you have this adult money to spend on yourself,
Where?
it's like rich money. To do whatever you want and not think about it.
That's too rich. जॉर्ज क्लूनी ने अपने सारे दोस्तों के लिए उनका टैक्स भर दिया. मेरे दोस्त मेरे से कॉफी के पैसे भरा रहे.
What are things of quiet luxury or premium things that you used to think about earlier and now you're buying for yourself?
I splurge a little on vacation. Like I went to Switzerland and I hired a car and drove for 7 days.
We're sitting in this beautiful car.
Yes.
Black and champagne matte interiors. You know, do you drive in Mumbai? And what are your car rituals?
Oh, your car has to be clean always.
Are you comfortable right now?
Very beautifully comfortable.
I'm just gonna put on my front row ventilators. You want more AC?
Oh, superb. Yes, I can feel the ventilation.
Can you?
Yeah,
You
I
can.
can feel
Yay.
it. I suddenly can feel it.
You recently did a thing with Tarun Tahiliani, who's considered like the daddy when it comes to fashion.
It was beautiful, bro.
What was that experience
It was
like?
so nice. It was my first ramp walk. He's iconic. I've seen his design and his clothing. To wear that and just walk, it's phenomenal.
Okay, I have a game segment called, which you've never played, called Never Have I Ever.
Oh no, I've never heard of it.
Never have I ever used my fame for a favor.
Restaurant में booking चाहिए, please.
100, give high five. Never have I ever been hit on by another actor or creator.
I have been. I was just meditating in my van. I opened my eyes and that person was in front of me. Love the way you meditate. मैं बोला ये क्या हो रहा है?
Was this male or female?
It was a female, but anyway.
Creator or actor?
No, hey, चलना ना, move on.
Never have I ever lied in this interview.
That I will tell you after, you know.
After I call cut.
Yeah.
I have never been called bro these many times in an interview, but Ayush Mehra, this was a blast. We have reached your destination.
Thanks,
Thank you
bro.
so much. Thank you, bro. Bro.
Nobody does this, Janice, but okay, fair.
I'm a boomer. No, I'm not. Why am I saying these things? I'm not.